Blake was diagnosed with autism at 1.5, and when you're told that your child has a special need, it can be extremely difficult, and you don't even know where to begin. I pulled up here to Kellison one day, and I parked in the parking lot, and I saw my son playing, and he was carrying his talker device around, and children were coming up to him and wanting to interact with him, and he wouldn't really respond to them because he didn't know how. I got to thinking, I'm like, what can we do to help him help others understand him? I had actually emailed Mark Miles directly, and I had said to him how I had seen this and I really was thinking about doing this, and I expressed the story to him, and he directed me then to Terry Harris. And the second Terry Harris saw it, he called me, and we talked about it for all the time. The day I saw this sign, I'm not gonna lie, I cried. Seeing this sign has been the most amazing thing. Not for me, I did this for him. And I want Blake to feel the love and support that he deserves, just like I want every other child to feel that too. That's what I love about Rockwood and Kellison, is that you can come to them with anything, and they're open arms and they're just willing to listen, and that's so amazing to have as a parent, is knowing that your kid is going to be safe and secure and taken care of.